So today we did a job where we've got a customer's got a granny flat down the back, and they wanted to get a data cable down there to connect them to the second data pair of the NBN. So we've just drilled a hole through the wall and mounted a double Cat6 data connection, RJ45s, on the other side of this wall here, and then just ran conduit, rigid conduit along there, and then flexible conduit up, and then we run a catenary wire which goes across to the granny flat, boom 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 boom, and then down and then underneath, and then it goes inside there and then to another two sockets there. This was a way more convenient way because originally they wanted just to get a leading cable put in from the street. They were going to have to cut up all this concrete, so it went from being a maybe a $5,000 job to just over $1,000. So that's probably a good way to do it sometimes when you've got a granny flat down the back, is just run a catenary wire and then go overhead. Alright, nice simple one.